By seeing me with this clock, you have already guessed what is going to be today's session. Yes, today's session is going to be the clock. How to read the time by using clock. Let's get into the video. Hi, welcome to the channel Quick Math. I'm Sirisha. Today's session is going to be about the clock. So, by using the clock, how we are going to represent the time, how we are going to know the time, or how we are going to read the time. So, let's get into that. This clock, if you observe, here we have some needles. So, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 needles. So, the short hand we will call it as hour hand, and the long hand we call it as minute hand, and we have one more longest hand in this clock. This hand is seconds hand. Hour hand, minutes hand and seconds hand. Now we use this short hand to represent the hours in the clock, and we use the minute hand in order to represent the minutes in the clock. Next, the seconds hand represents how many seconds we have. We know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute makes 60 seconds, and 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 60 minutes. One minute equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now, if you observe the clock, here we have small dots between the numbers. So, these dots represents divisions. So, each division represents a minute. Here, if you observe, here we have 5 divisions between these numbers, between the number 12 to 1. So, let's start counting this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 divisions between the numbers 12 and 1. So, here let us write 5. In the same way, between 1 to 2, here we have 5 more divisions, and from 2 to 3, 5 divisions, from 3 to 4, 5 divisions, that means 5 minutes, and from 4 to 5, 5 minutes, 5 to 6, 5 minutes, and 6 to 7, 5 minutes, or 5 divisions. So, each division represents minutes, and from 7 to 8, 5, and from 8 to 9, 5, from 9 to 10, 5, from 10 to 11, 5, and from 11 to 12, 5. Now, let's add these minutes. 5 makes 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So, here we got 60 minutes throughout this clock. That means if the minute hand takes a full rotation through these numbers, we are going to get 60 minutes. That's why we have 1 hour makes 60 minutes. So, in order to find the time by using the clock, we have to check where the hour hand and the minute hand stands on which number. So, if you observe, the hour hand stands at the number 11, and now the minute hand stands at the number 12. Now, exactly the time is 11 o'clock. Now, let's see the time. What's the time? So, in order to find the time, first of all, check where is the hour hand stands at. Which number? So, if you observe, the hour hand stands at the number 10 and the minute hand stands at the number 12. So the time is 10 o'clock. Let's read the time now. Always check where the shorthand stands at. The shorthand stands at exactly 9. So write 9. And where the minute hand stands at? The minute hand stands at 5. So now we have to find out this time, that is from 12 to 5. How many minutes are there? We already know how many divisions we have exactly from between the numbers. So here we have 5, and from 1 to 2 here we have 5, from 2 to 3 5, and from 3 to 4 5, and from 4 to 5 5. So now let's add all these minutes. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now the time is 9:25. Let's read this time. If you observe, the shorthand is between 7 and 8. We have to take the hour hand as 7. We should not take 8. So we have to take the hour hand at 7. So write 7. Now check where the minute hand stands at. The minute hand stands at 9. So now we have to find out the minutes between 12 and 9. That means from 12 to 9, how many minutes we have? Simply add 5. So 12, 5. Here we have 5 and 5. So here from 12 to 9, we have 45 minutes. From 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So our time is 7:45. In this way, you can read the time by using the clock. Hope I have helped you in reading the time. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and show your love towards our channel. If you have any further queries, leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Stay tuned for the channel for more interesting and easy content. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.